Hello, welcome to this new informative video today. Today we'll discuss if you are working in a real environment, okay, and you are facing the issues while monitoring the data load in SAP BW HANA, how you can fix it. So let's come into the real SAP BW HANA production systems. So this is we have a production systems, okay, and this is RSAPC. You will have a one procession like a sales processions. So if you double click on this, okay, and you need to trigger it, okay, so let's trigger this one. There is options here, schedule it and get trigger it. Now go to here, okay, and you just check the log whether it is trigger or not. Yes, it is got trigger and it got failed. So why it is right click over here and there is an option called display. So it was failed due to that file was in your flat file local folder. That is it was failed, so it's not possible to fix it. So what you need to do, just right click and skip. There is a options called skip, you can skip it. So this is a option without loading the data, it got skipped. Just refresh it, so it got triggered, okay, and but another steps it got read. Now here we will see how basically we can fix this. So this one can fix, either you can manually load, right click here and go display and trigger it. That is one way, that is manually trigger. And then how you can trigger it, the next step, that is one challenge is here. So in SAP BW HANA we have one processions, okay, that is processions, like not a procession, that is a function module, okay, RSPC process finish. Through this we can trigger this for the next steps, okay. So let's how we can trigger it. So we will go SM37 is the T code, okay. There is a SM38, okay, SC38, sorry, SC38, SC37 is a T code, okay, and there is a function module, that is RSPC process finish, okay. Now you are going to click execute it, okay. Now you can see process ID, so you will get the process ID from here only. So let's process ID here I am giving, okay. This is the not a process ID, you can give the process ID here. Now you will have to variant and instance. So you will get, double click on this failed steps, you will get here option variant. Just copy this variant, and there is an instance here over here, just copy the instance, and there is an G for state, that is for green, okay. So another step, that is we have a DTP steps. So this is a DTP load, so you have to give the steps over here. So just type is a DTP load, okay. Just you have to execute it. If once executed, this see it is a trigger, your the failed step of the DTP it's got trigger. So now it is not, but if you refresh it got triggered, see it is got triggered and completed. And this is the way, if in case any your DTP failure, okay, and it is not got auto trigger to next steps, then you will have to use that function module RSPC process finish, okay. That is one of the way. So if you can here and just refresh it, so okay, but why it is red the status, because still it is red, but no worry, it is manually loaded and it is get triggered the next steps. So this is how, if in case such scenario you're not able to fix that by the steps automatically, then you will have a one RSPC function module, we can get trigger the next steps, and you can have to manually to load the data into this provider. So this is how we are going to fix in the real environment in for the BW for HANA or BW HANA data load while monitoring the processes, right? So thank you, hope it will help in the in your career as well and your practice sessions. So thank you for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe, and definitely you should share with your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video.